Alright, so this is going to be a quick video of an Airstreamer that I have. I'm currently trying to restore it. It's as you can tell, it's in bad condition, but I'm going to show you what it looks like before, and then when I'm done restoring it, you'll see what it looks like after. So this thing is in really bad condition. I mean, there's droppings everywhere. The floor is tore up really bad. So as you can tell, it's in really bad condition. I mean, this thing needs some work. But Airstream I got is what it looks like right now. So as you can tell, it needs to be restored. It's holes in the ground where animals got through there. It's all tore up. So far, I've taken the old couches out and the old carpet on this side, but needs some work.